An unprecedented snowstorm hit Lebanon on the March 15, 2022. Known as Aber in Turkey and Greta in Lebanon, Greta is the largest snowfall in Lebanon on record for the month of March. Snow fell down to 300 meters above sea level for the first time since February 2015. The temperature registered 5 degrees on the coastline for the first time in March since 1980. Blizzard conditions were seen in all villages above 500 meters, especially north of the country. Up to 80 centimeters of fresh snow fell at 1,300 meters and more than 2 meters at 2,000 meters of altitude, causing major chaos on the snowy, icy roads, forcing schools to close and isolating many villages in deep powder that never reached that level before in March. Olive trees were heavily damaged in the lowlands, not used to such amount of snow on their branches.